From the section Activity, an administrator and team leader can schedule and assign different activities for each employee. Just click on the button Add Activity to create one or more projects and assign them to your employees. You can define a team leader, indicate if there are some fixed costs or revenues related to that activity, as well as the number of hours scheduled. In the event that the activity duration exceeds the expected limit, you may receive the alerts, if previously set from the section Company. By clicking here, you can assign one or more people to the activity, and for each of them, you can define a start date and end date. You can also define an hourly revenue for each employee, which will allow you to have a cost center for each business unit or activity.